Ever wonder why you keep putting off what matters most? I discovered something that changed everything for me, and today I'm sharing the secret weapon against procrastination. Picture this. It's 11 p.m. You've spent hours scrolling through social media, knowing you have that project due tomorrow. The guilt is crushing, yet you still can't bring yourself to start. Sound familiar? Here's what no one tells you. Procrastination isn't about laziness. It's about a psychological brick wall standing between you and your goals. The taller that wall, the more your brain resists climbing it. But what if I told you there's a way to demolish that wall completely? 2 simple steps changed my life, and they'll change yours too. Step 1, make the wall microscopic. Instead of telling yourself, I need to study for 3 hours, commit to just 5 minutes. That's it. 5 minutes feels so ridiculously easy that your brain stops fighting it. The resistance vanishes because the wall shrinks from Mount Everest to a small step. I once had a report that took me weeks to start until I promised myself, just write 2 sentences. Those 2 sentences turned into 2 pages that same night. Step 2, create instant rewards on the other side. Our brains crave immediate gratification, so place small, satisfying rewards immediately after taking action. I use a simple habit tracker where checking off boxes gives me a hit of dopamine stronger than any social media notification. Think about it. When the barrier is tiny and the reward is immediate, procrastination becomes irrational. Your brain literally can't justify avoiding the task anymore. I challenge you, pick one thing you've been putting off. Make it absurdly small, so small it feels stupid not to do it, then give yourself an immediate reward for taking action. Break the cycle today, because life's too short to spend it scrolling while your dreams collect dust.